Welcome to this week's Dose of Emuna for Shabbat Kodesh. Today's Shabbat audio is called Shabbat, 3 times the Bracha. So continuing the Bnei Yissaschar's teachings, Shabbos is the gematria of 3 times the word Bracha, blessing. This can actually be understood based on the idea that there's a special mitzvah on Shabbat to eat fish. Essentially, when you look at the process of creation, there are 3 things that received blessings, that received bracha on 3 consecutive days. You have the blessing for the fish on the 5th day, a blessing for man on the 6th day, and a blessing for Shabbos on the 7th day. And in fact, there's even a hint to this that could be found in the verse, Beneot Deshe Yalbitzeni. It's written in Tehillim 23, Pasuk 2. In lush meadows he lays me down. If you take the word Deshe and you break up the first, the Daled, the Shin, and the Aleph, they each represent a different word. The Daled from Deshe represents Dagim, the Shin represents Shabbat, and the Aleph represents Adam. So fish, Shabbos, and man are essentially hinted in the Deshe of the Pasuk Beneot Deshe Yalbitzeni in Tehillim. And what the Bnei Yissaschar brings down is that this is essentially like a 3-ply cord that can't be severed. So when Adam, which really refers to the Jewish people, and the Adam, we, the Jewish people, eat dagim, we eat fish in honor of Shabbos, we're essentially blessed with a triple blessing that's really not easily severed from us. Essentially, we become wrapped in this 3-ply cord of blessing. In fact, that's also hinted in the 3 blessings of Birkat HaMazon, where we say, and Hashem blessed Abraham, bakol, with everything, mikol, kol. So it's a 3-part bracha that we get. And because we say Birkat HaMazon, particularly on Shabbat, that is a hint, another hint to the 3-ply cord of a blessing. So being that Shabbos itself is really the neshama, it's really the soul of the physical world, we need to understand that our whole essence of Shabbos is to take the materialism and revitalize it and infuse it essentially with spirituality. So when we eat fish, we are able to really raise up the material essence and bring it up to a level of spirituality, because that is the essence of Shabbat. Hu haneshama el hachomer. It is the soul of the physical. And that's why we're able to get such bracha and such blessing on Shabbos, because it is the conduit of all the blessings for the entire week. Have a wonderful Shabbat Kodesh.